Welcome back. The reigning I-League champion Churchill Brothers Sports Club will henceforth be called Musli Power Churchill Brothers. That is because the Warka-based club has been sponsored by Kunnat Pharmaceuticals for the next 3 years. Musli Power Extra is a herbal product of this Kerala-based pharmaceutical company. This sponsorship deal is one of the biggest in subcontinent football.
The Musli Power sponsorship was announced on Friday at a press conference addressed by Churchill Brothers patron Churchill Alimau, President Joachim Alimau, alongside Managing Director of Kunnat Pharmaceuticals Dr. K.C. Abraham and Chief Marketing Advisor T.K. Abraham. Sales and Marketing Director of Total Sports Asia Tuhin Mishra was also present. Joachim Alimau revealed that the sponsorship is for 3 years.
Dr. K.C. Abraham had promised us for 3 years this sponsor, and I'm just requesting the press and media from today onward, our team, you all have to give on the paper, TV, Musli Power, Churchill Brothers.
Churchill Alimau expressed his gratitude to their new sponsors.
I'm very happy what a sufficient sponsor they have given to us. I don't want to explain you the figure, but we are very happy what they given to us. Next year they will give the more than this.
Churchill Brothers won their maiden National League football title last season with an outstanding performance. Churchill have made a great start to this season. Currently, Churchill are in the finals of the ongoing IFA Shield tournament in Kolkata. Churchill Brothers will also play in the Asian Football Confederation Cup this season. With these brilliant credentials to back them, Churchill was successful in getting the Musli Power sponsorship. Chief Marketing Advisor T.K. Abraham highlighted the similarities between the club and the product.
I think it's a performance. See, the team is becoming successful because of their performance, consistent performance. Here, Musli Power Extra is also not because of this consistent performance. Because we have in India for the last 4 years, and consecutively we have been doing pretty well. And from a 45 lakh sales 4 years back, we have closed the sales of 15 crores last year, and this year we intend to do about 100 crores. And I believe that this participation between us and Churchill Brothers are going to take us on much higher stages in life and in our business.
Tuhin Mishra of Total Sports Asia revealed that Churchill Brothers' commercial interest will be looked after by TSA.
India's #1 football club, Churchill Brothers Sports Club. TSA is exclusively responsible for the commercial interests of the club, and we feel very honored in doing so.
Reigning I-League champions Churchill Brothers have made their mark in the nation. The sponsorship from Musli Powers comes as a big boost to the Goan team as they look ahead to the AFC Club Championship. Sports reporter Patterson Fernandez with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
Sunil Chetri marked his debut for I-League powerhouse Dempo Sports Club with a goal. The India international striker was on target in Dempo's 3-1 victory over Raya Sporting in a Kingfisher Professional League match at Tilak Stadium at Vasco on Thursday evening.
It was Chetri's first game for the Goan Giants after having joined Dempo in the summer from East Bengal. The 25-year-old, along with fellow newcomer Anwar Ali, Dempo regulars Mahesh Gauli and Sameer Naik were in the first team as coach Armand Colasso fielded a full-strength side against Raya. Dempo coach Armando grabbed the opportunity to fit in the new signings in the only competitive game ahead of next week's Durand Cup. And the outcome must have surely pleased him as the Panji-based club made a confident start. Brazilian midfielder Beto opened the scoring in the 20th minute. And although Raya came up with the equalizer through Revlin Fernandez, there was no stopping Dempo. Anthony Pereira and Chetri scored 1 goal each in the second half to complete a comfortable victory for Dempo. Chetri was delighted with the winning start to his Dempo career. He shared his thoughts after the game with Prudent Media.
Personally, I'm happy, but I think it's more important that we got 3 points. Whenever a team plays, it's more important that the team does well than the individual. I think Anthony's second goal was very important. But I think it was team effort, and as I said, I'm very honored to be a part of Tempos. All the players are helping me out. It's just initial days. I'm sure we're going to settle down as a team. We have full trust on the team, the coach, and the players. And I think we got a very good bunch of senior and junior players, all talented. And at the same time, we got a good coach who can manage all this stuff. I think it's initial stages right now, and it's too early to say things. But I'm sure, as an individual, I will give my best to Tempos.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Matkaikar.
Technical advisor of the Goa Boxing Association, Lenny Digama, has called upon the state girls to take up boxing as a career now that the Goa sports policy has also come into existence.
The pool of talent in women's boxing in the state is very limited as of now. Moreover, the controversy during the recent selection trials after a bout between two of Goa's best boxers, Sonia Parab and Priyanka Khandeparkar, has threatened to disturb the team's preparation for the upcoming elite nationals. Nevertheless, the association has urged the girls to join boxing, with sports policy now approved after several years of wait. Sportspersons can get desired support with regards to marks, absence from school and assistance to get jobs.
It is very, I would say, pitiable that the girls from Goa do not come forward to join boxing. Actually, they can really make a career out of it. Today that the sports policy has been passed, in the cabinet, it would be ideal for the girls to join so that if they go for the national, win a medal, they can join the police or the fire department or get a government job or something like that.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
September 11, 2001 was a bad morning for Americans. It was the day when Al-Qaeda terrorists crashed the airlines into the World Trade Center and other structures in the United States. In this terrorist attack, 2,993 people, including the hijackers, died. With a look at this attack and a tribute to collective fight against terrorism, I take your leave. Goodbye and keep watching Prudent Media.
2 airplanes have crashed into the World Trade Center.
That's incredible.
In an apparent terrorist attack on our country.
Oh, the next building
there's another one.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Freedom itself was attacked this morning by a faceless coward, and freedom will be defended.
If I could tell the world just one thing, it would be that we're all okay.
The entire building has just collapsed. It's folded down on itself, and it is not there anymore.
The whole side has collapsed?
The whole building has collapsed.
Not to worry, cause worry is wasteful and useless.
They have shut down all aircraft takeoffs.
There's obviously massive casualties.
Won't be made useless.
And another apparent explosion at the Pentagon in Washington.
Be idle with despair.
We saw what we thought was debris. We realized it was people jumping.
Gather myself around.
Well, this is a horrible attack.
Lights the darkness most fear.
Flames engulfing what's left of the World Trade Center.
My hand is small, I know.
Among the emergency workers, I can hear them screaming the police code for help.
Not yours, they are my own, and I'm never broken.
A free American people will not be intimidated.
Our resolve has not been weakened.
Nor will we be defeated.
By these horrific and cowardly acts.
And justice will be done.
I will pray.